Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making lasagna soup. This is a hearty soup. For our ingredients we have ground beef, sweet Italian sausage, yellow onion, garlic, tomato paste, dry oregano, dry basil, sugar, salt, pepper, pepper flakes, chicken broth, crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, bay leaf, and lasagna noodles. And for serving, your cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and ricotta cheese. Here are the three cheeses. We have our mozzarella, our Parmesan, and our ricotta cheese. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my Parmesan to my mozzarella, and I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to add in my ricotta cheese into the rest of the cheeses. And I'm going to make little balls to put into my lasagna soup. You want to cook and crumble the ground beef and sausage in a soup pot over medium-high heat. You want to add your onions halfway through and cook until softened, or about 5 to 6 minutes. You want to drain any grease and add your garlic and cook for 1 minute. Then you want to add in your chicken broth. You want to add your tomato paste, your bay leaf, your dry oregano, your dry basil, sugar, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. You want to stir to combine. Your salt. You want to add your crushed tomatoes, your undrained diced tomatoes, and you want to bring it to a boil and reduce it to a simmer. You want to let your soup bubble gently while you begin to cook your lasagna noodles. Your soup will become more concentrated as it simmers. You want to break your lasagna noodles up in smaller strips, and you want to add them directly to your serving bowls. You want to remove the bay leaf and garnish each bowl with your Parmesan, mozzarella, ricotta cheese, and parsley. We have made lasagna soup. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.